So we will continue with yesterday's program. So yesterday we had a discussion with radio button, radio group, and rating bar that we discussed, right? So similar to like one more piece there, that is a seek bar, like where we can control the volume and increase the brightness. So such kind of things will deal with that. So that first we will see. So seek bar, wrap content, wrap content. So this we will change as transparent. And for this, now we will give an ID. So that is the seek bar. And for this, we cannot give the text. So I'll give that margin 5dp, padding 5dp. So these properties we can give for this, right? Now for this, as usually we will apply the listener. So how that listener will work, so that we will see here now. So to apply this listener, it is a very simple here, simple way, like similar to yesterday, like we will add here now. So that is C part. So just I'm switching into this main activity. So in this now, here we will apply that binding that. So binding that sequence that. So for this, now we will apply that on sequence change listener. So this is the listener we will apply for this. So that is the on sequence change listener we have to apply for this. So for this, it will be a little bit different. Here we have to write an object after an object, because this has internally it has multiple methods. So that's the reason for this listener it should be a little bit different. So on seek for change listener. So this is the listener we have to apply. From here now we can allow. So within this now it has total 3 methods. One is the on start touch. Second is the on progress, and the third is the on stop. So there are total 3 we have to create with this, right? So from here now, what is the progress that we have to capture from here? So initially here I'm treating that where progress. So initial progress I'm considering as a 0. So initially it was 0, and after that whatever the progress it will come. So that normally we will write the progress here and this. So means normally like the end of this side right here, like where every place you can write also, but I'm writing here, just I'm writing here the toast. So toast that make text. So toast that make text. So this at the rate main activity. So from here, what is the progress? So that the progress, we will take the progress here. Progress, comma, toast dot length long, final dot show. So this we have to write. Right now, I'm running this. So we'll see here now. So I'm running on a pixel server. So we will see here now what happens here. See now. Zero, initially it was 0. Are coming 0, 5 is coming, all are 0. So we started this initial value we assigned here. Sorry, here we have to assign that value. We forget to assign this value here. Progress equal to. So this is the progress we have to assign here. So for this, now I'll assign as the initial progress. So this I'll replace here. This is the initial progress. Here also I'll give the initial progress. Right now it will come the value. Because in a progress, whatever the value where we stopped, that value we have to get from that method. So that value only it's supposed to show. Right now, 6, 10, max it is 100. Maximum is 100. But even though that we can control, like maximum is 100, but even though that we can control. So like how to control? Like I want in between of the 20 to 30. So I'll give here that is the min equal to 10, max 30. So now the value we can select only in between of the 10 to 30. See here, minimum is 10, maximum is 30. Like this. So we can control this. See. Next, like I want to take images. So I want to display it. So image view, wrap content, and ID for that ID. So ing. Then for that we have to give the source, that is the SRC. So that is from map. So from the map. So here now I'll show you the path. So in RES, there in a map there are two icons. IC launcher is there. So that I have given to the C. That is IC launcher I have given. But I don't want this IC launcher. I want my own image. So if you want my own image, let us say from here now I can download one image like human icon, something icon we will download. So let us say I'll download this, copy this, sorry, save this image. So I'm saving on desktop. So I saved this on desktop. But now this image, whatever the image I have saved, that is not a suitable size for our application. Then what we have to do? For that, here there is an one app icon. So appicon.com, some website is there. So with that website, app icon generator. So this is the appicon.co, right? So this is the website. I'll share you in WhatsApp this URL. So in this now, here just you can upload that image. So this is the from the desktop. I have uploaded this, and we don't want iPhone, right? Even though if iPhone also, that this is not required. Only we required an Android. So name we will give person something. I'm giving the name as a person. So generate. So this icon has generated here. Now it downloaded to the download. So you can zip format. So I'm extracting that. After extracting here, see, one is the Play Store icon generated, App Store icon generated, as well as some other Android assets which are generated here. See, so there are multiple size of images as generated, but why? See here, this like each will be in a different sizes. So that first we have to capture this. Means MDPI. I'm capturing MDPI. This is the medium density. So medium density. Now you can go to your code here. You can go and in bitmap, right click on the bitmap. So paste. So you have to select here MDPI, right? MDPI, paste. So person. Done. See, this image has created here. Now, in this, we will replace. So instead of IC launcher, we'll change as a person. So our person image is displayed. But right now it has only one size. So I want to use HDPI. Means wherever that load is, like I'll show you the sizes also. See here now. Again paste here. So while pasting here, now you can select this is the HDPI, right? HDPI person. See, two created. Then go to XHDPI. So means it will be a little bit more size. Copy. So copy paste XHDPI. So you can paste. See, three created. Like next double XHDPI. So copy and paste again here. So double XHDPI. So it created here. Next triple X. Copy and paste here. So triple X. So total 5 images created here. Now we will see what is the size of each. It is the HHDPI is the 72 by 72, 48. Minimum is the 48 by 48, 72 by 72, 96 by 96, 144 by 144, 192 by 192. Means what happens here? We don't know user will open application in which resolution. So what is the resolution your user has opened? The respective thing will automatically, the image size can be adjusted based on the resolution, right? So that is the thing will happen here, right? So now we created image. For this particular image, also we will give an action. So how to give an action for? See now for this binding dot. So that is the uh, image dot. For the image, whatever we used first, that is like same on click listener. So this is the listener we will use. So just a minute. Yeah. So now here we just applied the listener. Right? So for that, I'm writing here as a toast. So toast dot make text. So as I told right from yesterday, wherever the instead of applying the text to text view, we always use this one. So here now, let's just I'll write you click image, something I'll write like this. Then toast dot length long, finally dot show. Like this. Now running this application. See now I'm clicking on this. See, you click image. So means the click option is working here. Right? So like this, for image also, we can give the margin and padding that we not given. So that we can give. So margin and padding 5 dp that we can. So next image button. So like similar to image view. So there will be another option called image button. So that image button also we can give. So for this, I have given that my current means on the top of the button instead of the text, the image will be displayed on this. So for that src, so same person I'll give, and for this id. So for this, even this button also we cannot give any text properties, right? Because this does not contain the text property, right? So image button, and I'll give some margin 5 dp and padding 5 dp. So like this, I have given the image. Then now we will apply even listener for this as well. So if we apply the listener for this, so similar to above, like binding that. So image button dot set on click listener. So here toast dot make text. This at the rate main activity. So you clicked image button. You click image button. Then toast dot length long. Finally dot show. Like this. Then now I'm running this. See here, now I'm clicking this image. So you click image. Like this, it is working. Right, let us say I want one separation line between these two components. So for that, here now we have to give that is like so there is a one uh, separate line that is the space. I forgot that name. Yeah, we'll create one view. So match parent height, I'll give that 5 dp and I'll give some background color. So like this, the line will be separation, line separation will create in this. For this, I'll give margin 5 dp padding 5 like this. So just it is in a view. But here now something is happened here. Now you can see almost this text, this in this screen, the text went outside. Normally here it is okay, but maybe here if click here, it will come here. But when it is in a mode, so it requires the scroll view, right? So if you want a scroll view here now, you can apply the scroll view for this entire layout. So here now I'm applying the scroll view. So entire layout means here we have to apply the scroll view. So the main layout should be as it is within a layout. I have to apply match parent and match parent, right? So then within a this again now we have to take one more linear layout. So it's match parent, then orientation as vertical. Right now these two we have to close here. Here we have to close those. Right now all the things will come. So here the scroll will work. Scroll will work. If you want to see that scroll feeling, here we will increase this 15, 15. Then this also I'll increase the 15, 15 so that definitely this goes outside the screen. So now definitely it goes the screen outside. Now we will launch and we will see here scroll is working or not. See here now. Why here it is not coming. Yeah, here you can see it. Like this, we have to scroll up and down. So that is working fine here like this. Right. So still here you have clear. Have you any questions? Because with this now we completed the all the basic things. We completed the basic things. On top of this, now we have to do the next step. So that is little bit advanced because as of now, whatever components we have as is just we taken, we apply the listener we have. But now from my side, I have to enter some data. I have to pick that data. That is the next step, right? That we have to do in next. Right. So it is clear. Then I'll create one new project here. So the project name, MTVS activity. The project name I'll give as a form example. So form example. Now I close. Even though in this now I'll show you how to drag and drop the options. How to drag and drop. Like as of now, we created completely, but here now I want to drag and drop some options. So how that we will do that we will see here. So here this is the project it is created here, right? Now the defaultly constant layout is created. So here now I'll change this to linear layout. Then after the linear layout, we will drag and drop the options. I'll show you where we are dragging drop options. So linear layout. So for the linear layout, We have orientation, so that also we will give. Wait, still this project is creating. Once it is created, then we will. Here now, orientation, what it is, right. So if you want to drag and drop completely, you have to go to this section here. So here now we have that palette. So from here, whatever we have, from here only we are doing here now. Like these are from here text. This is the now we are discussing this. So from here, I'll drag and drop one by one. So first one plain text. Next, so edit text password, password numeric. So next email, phone, postal address, multi-line, time, date, number, number sign, number decimal. So these four are the different categories that we will see later. But till here now we have drag and drop all the options here, right? So from here now we have to do. So from here now we have to do like next step here. So we'll see what is the code it is generated. See, we drag and drop automatically the code has generated here. So now I'm running this. See, I'm running this, so we'll see. See, now form will be created like this. See here, first one came as one. So next one is not coming here. So like so one by one we have see. This is one advantage for us. So it is an virtual keyboard. So automatically the keyboard itself will decide that what we have to do the next one. So automatically it will create this thing. But for the first one, it came name, rather the name not came. Why? Because for this one, it should be created here. But if you want to enter something here, let us say I enter something. See that whatever the data I have entering, that is coming along with the whatever the text is there. But if I try to enter next thing here, see automatically it is coming from here. So this one we have to add many properties. So for first one like means normally this one we won't use. This one not is that dynamically will come. So for this we'll apply the properties here. So what properties we have to apply here? I'll apply all the properties here. You can see here now. Because this has the text, so I'll give the text color. Text color. So And for this, next we'll use the text. Okay, above it is given. So text color. So next text size 20 sp. The next text all caps true. Next text style bold. So hint color. So for this we will give that hint text hint color. So I'll give something. We will modify that, and also we'll give margin 10 dp, padding 10 dp. Like this, we will apply all the properties, right? And finally, we'll give one hint here. So this is the text type. So hint I'll give you. So the text will display the whatever hint will give. It is based on this hint color. So this hint color I'll change to this color. The text color I'll change to this color. So I have it. So this we can apply for all. Like from here. Now this one I'll apply for the all. So like this, will apply for all the text. See, for all the text views I have. Now this will change. So here number decimal sign. So number, date. So this is the time. The next, this is the multi-line here where user can enter text in multi-lines. So here we can give one extra property, that is min lines. 5 means the user can feel that okay, this is the more data enter field. So this is the postal address. This is the phone number. Right, this is the text. And this is the password, number password. Text password. So finally this is the text. Right. So we have updated like this. Now all the fields will be like this. Right. So from here now, like now we created this. It has many of like many. It is occupied more than 200 lines of this. Right, 200 lines. It is occupied here. So, but we have to reduce that. So, how to reduce that? We will see here. It is somewhere here, correct? Okay, here the color. So so in next class, what we will see is like here I'll take one button. Once the user clicks on that particular button, how the text will be populated on toast. Then how to reduce this code, because for every text view, so there are some common properties are there like height, width, EMS, color. This all till here all are these common properties. So how to reduce this common properties, like using this some style, like how to reduce this. So that we'll discuss in next class. First, how to pick the data and how to reduce this, that we will see next week. So till this you can practice as this, and tomorrow's class we will see the next step. Then I'll give you the task.